there, YouTubers! Ready to dive into the future of video content creation? Today, we are unraveling the wonders of OpenAI Sora, the latest buzz in the tech world. And what better way to start than by uncovering the mysterious behind OpenAI Sora? So buckle up, because this is going to blow your mind. What is OpenAI Sora? You may ask. Well, it's not just your run-of-the-mill video editing software, it's a game changer. Sora is an AI tool designed specifically for video generation, capable of creating various types of video content, from advertisements to educational videos, in just a matter of seconds. Yes, you heard that right. Seconds. But how does it work? It's simple. All you need to do is provide it a text prompt outlining your requirements, and voila, Sora AI takes it from there, generating high-quality videos tailored to your needs. Let's talk about some key features that make Sora AI stand out from the crowd. First up, Sora AI allows you to generate videos directly from text prompts. Gone are the days of relying solely on video creators or video editors. With Sora, you are in the driver's seat, creating captivating videos with just a few keystrokes. Need a video with multiple characters and intricate scenes? No problem. Sora AI has got you covered. Simply input your script and Sora will seamlessly bring your vision to life, complete with all the characters and scenes you desire. Worried about navigating complex software? Fear not. Sora AI boasts a user-friendly interface, making it accessible to both novice and professional creators alike. Say goodbye to steep learning curves. Now, let's address the elephant in the room: ethical and security concerns. Sora AI takes user privacy seriously, implementing robust security features to safeguard your data, plus it enforces strict guidelines to prevent the spread of misleading or harmful content. With Sora AI, customization is key. Whether you prefer a modern or themed background, Sora offers a range of diffusion techniques to suit your needs, ensuring your videos look natural and polished. From sleek and professional to whimsical and creative, Sora AI offers a plethora of themes and styles to choose from. Whatever your niche, Sora has the tools to bring your vision to life. Last but not least, Sora AI's motion understandings feature elevates your videos to new heights, delivering a realistic visual experience that captivates audiences. In summary, OpenAI Sora is a game changer in the world of video creation. While it's currently only available to red team researchers, its potential impact on the industry is undeniable. With its advanced model and user-friendly interface, Sora AI is poised to revolutionize how we create and consume video content. That's all for today's deep dive into OpenAI Sora. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech updates. Until next time, stay innovative.